Are you buried in folders and versions? With Unity Asset Manager, every model, material or asset is just a browser click away, complete with metadata, previews and version control. Now we open the Asset Manager and browse the datech assets. Here's an image of a building. On the right, you see rich metadata: status, file size, asset ID, last modified date and upload date. These data points aren't manually typed. Next, we open a logo from the Logos directory. Watch how easy it is to replace a file, download the current version, or upload a new thumbnail. With drag-and-drop ingestion and a linear version history, your team never loses track of iterations. Let's explore external libraries next. Asset Manager connects to Unity demo libraries like factory, office and warehouse scenes, giving you access to curated environments and their assets. Inside the Unity Assets library, you'll find URP materials. You can filter by metadata or content. Type wood and instantly get every wood material that matches your search. When you find what you need, you can add it directly to your project. Smart tagging and metadata filters help you find assets faster. Now let's create a project called Asset Manager. We navigate to the Asset Manager feature and click Add Asset. Here comes our model, skid v1.fbx. The system ingests the file, extracts its metadata, and runs a transformation pipeline. When it finishes, you get automatic thumbnails and a lightweight 3D preview. Rotate, zoom, inspect, all within the browser. With Unity Asset Manager, you get automated metadata tagging and powerful search, in-app previews of 3D models, and large CAD files. Secure version history. It's all accessible from your browser and seamlessly integrates with the Unity editor. Ready to streamline your asset pipeline? Contact TD SYNNEX datech to see how Unity Asset Manager can transform your workflow.